push, no momentum. Seven minutes until open. Probably going to be forming a 4-hour fair value gap. Got the 2 hours here. 1 hour. 90 minutes down there. 7180. So I'll keep going down to 793. Maybe tap in. Looking for the opening range breakout at this point. To the upside. Fair value gap here on the 1 minute and 5 minute. I'll work on my breathing today. I got this heart rate variability monitor. Checks your heart rate variability and kind of guides your breath. So I think I've been getting a little too keyed up, you know, when I'm trading. So I want to try to manage any sort of stress or cortisol the best I can. We took out session highs here. Next is Asian up there. Of course, we got Asian and New York down there. 2 minutes to market. Signals have turned blue. Wait for this candle to finish. Actually, let's wait for the 5-minute. And take it to trade. Okay. Okay, I might even just go deeper. Everything's shaping up to be a big move. This is my disrespect though. Big wick. Okay, so I need to tweak my strategy here because I'm getting right on the tip of it. I'm not waiting for the pullback, and that's kind of what I've been trying to shoot for. It's okay if I miss some long stretches, but I want to get it on the pullback where I can get the most value out of the run. Hopefully we're going to blow through this 1 minute fair value gap. Got a little stretched out there. We got a bullish or a bearish push here. I like that. All my signals showing bear. That's why I just hopped in with no hesitation. So we are in a downtrend. All my signals look like we're going down. We just created a fair value gap. That's a good sign. Now we want to just continue down here. We bounced off of this fair value gap after tapping into it a little bit. And we just need to take this profit right over the edge here. I might manually be ready here if it crosses over the threshold just so I could get out of all these positions. But we are kind of surging a little bit. We got some decent momentum. I want to see this invert. Got a candle in 12 seconds. Let's see what happens. Okay, we just inverted that candle or fair value gap and left this one, unfortunately, so I should probably be getting out. We are above the EMA. I want to be a little patient. We have a downward candle. 5 minutes is still pushing. We're wicking up though. Let's see. We don't see a lot of setup for it continuing to go higher other than this fair value gap here. I think my rule is if it makes two fair value gaps against my position, then I need to get out. That's kind of needs to be my rule. We're still resting on this fair value gap. However, this is the target here. So what's my, okay, this is, we've already covered this ground here, so maybe it's not. Let's see what my 15-minute wants us to do. It wants us to go up, but we've already been there. Could be trying to disrespect. A lot of our signals are showing up on the market structure, but what I'm looking at is this key push region here. I should probably get out. Let me see what happens on the next candle. Part of me is I need to be patient. Okay, got another candle. Hopefully this is a down candle. It's not. I'm draining my accounts now. Hopefully this is just a wick. We will be making a fair value gap if it does not wick back down here. We want to see it go the opposite direction. Otherwise, I think I will pull out. We don't want to see a fair value gap. That would give us 2. Kind of want to see like a liquidity sweep before it pushes higher. But we had a big push down this morning. This is what we want to see here. Finger on the trigger to get out of it if it crosses my. See how the momentum looks. If we can invert this, this would be good. It's pushing back. Getting real close. Maybe the next candle. We just got pushed back. We saw some good momentum down. got 71. We're in the green as far as momentum goes, so we are going down. We got 21 seconds left on this candle. If it makes a fair value gap, that might be a good sign. 14, 13, 12. Okay, we're starting to cross over into profit slightly. Got a nice fair value gap here. Watch to see if it gets inverted. Starting to eat into it a little bit. We want to hold on to that as much as we can. We've got 47 seconds. We're in profit. I could take profit, but I kind of see it going down a little bit. Make up our value gaps. We took that one. Don't even need to make new lows. We can make equal lows and take that profit. I'm out. Okay, we're back at 1,000. It's a little dicey. I don't like that. I want to get our size back down again. We got this bearish fair value gap now. We're not going to make one unless we go down a little bit further on the 5-minute. I'm out. Just took the profit. I'm at 131. What's my win? 71%. So we're going to be making a fair value gap here. It looks like. I'll take another one. Got 53 seconds here. Might want to take the low. See if there's a session low. So it's way down there. I still feel like we're going down for a minute unless we don't make a fair value gap here, which could happen. We are in the process of disrespecting that target. We got 26 seconds left. 5-minute fair value gap would be nice. We're holding on this 15. Got wicked off of. We've not made a new low. I don't want to go any heavier than I'm in right now. Looking at this, see what happens on the next candle. Finish strong on that candle, it looks good. Made a fair value gap, should take our profit here. Okay, took our profit, re-enter. Almost missed it. So we need to take on 170. I'm going to see if I can put my entry here in this middle of this fair value gap. I want to get the pullback. I always get a little crazy and don't get the pullback. You got some pushes, we got to break a structure. I'm going to make another fair value gap here. That's a good sign, but I want to get a little bit of a pullback. Okay, I'm going to try to get something here. I don't mind going it heavy now because we got a lot of support here. If it wants to go back there, we'll take that. Should have took that. See, I'm kind of getting out of the habit of doing that. That used to be my kind of go-to. Just take 20 bucks, 20 bucks, 20 bucks all day long. But if I get another opportunity, I think if it's pushing back, it might want to make that next extra push down with the next candle. It is a kind of a indecision candle. There we go. That's looking better. I'm out. 45. Okay, 1269. So we got a big push here again, but I do want to wait. 169. Have that one there. But we are making new fair value gaps. I want to see it come wick down. We're going to take an entry. 762. Okay. Finger on the trigger. I want to take this one because if I get the double digits, I want to take it. I don't know what I ended up getting there, but something. Okay, we've kind of diminished this fair value gap. Okay, we've inverted it, so I'm glad I got out. And we got a buy signal here. But we're going to wait to try to take in on this, hopefully. 169. Missed it. Just missed it. Let's see if we take it here. This could be a reversal at this point. We do have a reversal candle. So we had momentum shifting. I'm going to get out for a second. I'm at 1278. I'm doing pretty good for the day so far. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. I'm going to take something here. Hopefully just get a couple points. I like this because the wick is protecting us from making a new fair value gap. That means that we got a little bit of downward momentum. Oh, okay, that's big. That's a little bigger than I was hoping. We'll see what happens. Bigger pop than I hoped for. But we are starting to reject. Let's make sure we're not making a fair value gap. We've inverted that fair value gap. We are maintaining this. Okay, hopefully we could push back down. We've inverted it. You want to get this here. We've created a 1 minute. That's not a good sign. We're fairly heavy. We want to see us hold on with this 5 minute fair value gap. We're not going to make a 15, so that's not much protection here. The last 15 is way down there, so I'm going to keep an eye on this. Could want to go all the way down. We don't want to invert this, which we did. If if we invert this one, then that's a no bueno. And if we made 2 fair value gaps, we want to see if this one will close out. We did, so we only got 1. That's kind of our rule. And we're kind of really battling this 5-minute fair value gap. It looks like it's inverting it. We're dipping into our profits now. We probably have 2 fair value gaps now. No, not yet. We're gonna wait till we get to 2. Still got that fair value gap kind of holding us back. But then now we got the 1 minute down there that's kind of pushing us up. So this is not, we wanted, this is the really what we wanted to take. That's the real pullback. So we want to see momentum has died. Love to invert that. That'd be great. Get it, boy. Get it. Come on. So we might make a fair value gap if it holds on, but it's wicking up. No. That might have been our last little touch. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to see. Not currently having the same pushback to the upside as we did here to the downside, so it's something I always look at as the momentum of the volume. So we've made a new candle though. That one is going to be easier to beat. So that wasn't up, so if we go down, then that can give us a 1 minute push. Okay, looks like we're going down now. I'm going to make a fair value gap. Okay, we're out of there. We're at 1500 now. We want to see now with the rules, fair value gaps. We don't see any fair value gaps. We do got a blue push here. We are looking down. Let's see if this makes a fair value gap, which it probably will. Okay, so entry off of 7164. Well, we gotta make it first, don't we? So we got 6.5 is our kind of midline here. We haven't made it, so I don't know if I should get actually in this order or not. Maybe if I pop down after I take it. $5 here. Oh, I should have got that, damn it. This is an entry, hopefully. That should have been an entry. And it wicks down. Okay, 1500. Not making a new fair value gap, so I want to be more diligent. I need to be more patient to see all the signals and not just. So my signals are, well, first of all, the weekly is it's a downward candle, but the trend is up. So we are kind of in a downward shift a little bit. On the daily, we are in an uptrend based on market structure. However, we've wicked down a big way here. On the 4 hour, we don't have any fair value gaps. We got some liquidity above and below at this point. Session range is up above. we have these down pushes. These blue candles are when the volume was greater in the opposite direction than the previous candle. So I made an indicator to show when there's like a reversal pattern. And as you see here, it's kind of reversing downwards. I'm gonna sell. Should be fairly low risk, hopefully. We did make a new low there, so we could be trying to make a new high. I'm gonna be ready to get out. I think it'll take it. Oh. I feel like I'm just missing these moves. Damn it! That's what I'm trying to get. I'm trying to get these one. See, I don't like that. We're gonna make a fair value gap here. Get back to where I'm in the trade now, so I need to monitor. Okay, yeah, we've inverted this fair value gap. If it doesn't wick out of it, which we hope it does, that's what we're hoping. And then we got this one here that we have not inverted, and we're hoping to wick out of. It's already tested it twice. We had a reaction the last time. And so that's what we're looking for this time too. Might even enter in if it crosses back. if I don't make a fair value gap, I should stay light though. I should stay light. I'm already down 82 bucks in this trade so far, so I want to stay light. If I could invert that, then that will kind of give me a little more peace of mind. If I could see a candle come down, close out this fair value gap. And I'd love to invert this one here. If I could do that, which it's not. Okay, so we've created one fair value gap. If it makes two, we're out of this trade. And it's kind of really moving now, so shit. We got 30 seconds. We're down 240. I think I need to create a maximum loss too of like 500. I'm at 223 right now. We've not made a new high. We made a lower low. We're not making a higher high, so that's something. We're still wicking down from this. We're above the EMA on the 1 minute. We are. If we invert this, looks like the internet or something got shut down for a second. Okay, so we are no fair value gap. We want to take out this fair value gap. We're kind of below the EMA. Starting to come down a little bit. We made a lower high. I want to shy away from doubling down unless I'm sure. I'm not sure because of this 1 minute fair value gap. We don't even need to make new lows. I'm going to get ready if I want to get out of it early. This is a downward candle. It's less volume than the previous, so we're not really. And we got a little volume there. Not making a fair value gap. We want to see another big push. Okay, that's might make a fair value gap as long as it doesn't wick down. And we want to see it snag that order. Got it. Okay, we're at 1500. Halfway to our target now. We're kind of ranging around here. We are uptrend on most of the time frames. So you kind of could expect maybe a reversal happening at some point. However, that's a big fair value gap that's going to be made. And we got 3 minutes on this. I'll be a little more confident if we make two fair value gaps. With a break of structure. And we might be making a fair value gap on the 5 minute. We got 2 minutes and 32 seconds. So we've inverted that. We've created a bullish fair value gap on the 1 minute. We're kind of rounding the bottom here a little bit. So it's either going to probably go up or go down in a big way at some point. Kind of ranged around quite a bit. We've seen some bullet or bearish pushes here. Let me turn on my aggressive indicator. Let me turn it down to 250. So we have a lot of sells here as well. We do have a lot of sells. We are still wicking off of this fair value gap. If we see it make a new high, then we will not take a trade. If we see it give us another down candle, kind of push back that momentum. Okay, so there we go. This might be where we break through. See some buys coming in now, some big buy orders. If it inverts that 5 minute fair value gap, then we might expect it to go up more. I'm glad I'm not on the other side of this at this point. We made kind of an equal, a little bit, not quite new highs yet. Have to see some sells stepping in, aggressive sell bursts to want to take a downward trade. Are we making a fair value gap? Let's see. Okay, we got two. This could be potential buy-in off of this here, 6.8. What's my 5 minute? I have not inverted it, however. So I might want to see it invert first. And if it made another, if it made a 5 minute fair value gap, then that's what we want to see. We got 3 minutes before the 5 minute closes. Okay, so I think we can enter offset on the 3-4. Now we're doing aggressive sell now. We had a push up, we're not really. So what are we looking out of this now? not going to create the fair value gap, it looks like. Maybe. Let's see. Maybe $2. We saw a little bit of sell, but we had a good amount of buys in there too. 23 seconds till this closes. We'll see if it makes a fair value gap. That's a good sign. Hopefully it does not invert it right away. We got 5 minutes to see if this holds. We want if it's going up, we want it to tap in and then keep moving up. We're canceling out, I think, some fair value gaps here. So we got. Not thinking this is so strong at this point now, so I might get out of it. We've inverted that, so that looks like it's going down now. So shit. We get this fair value gap here. We got some cells popping in now. We inverted that. We got one more down there to completely change trend. We could see it come up first though. We're not quite making fair value gaps going down yet. This one's kind of holding us on here. Inverted. It's going to make a fair value gap. We don't have one but one. Old me would consider buying in right now. You could react off of this. Okay, we just created a 1 minute. We want to see this gotten rid of. Made one fair value gap. We haven't gotten rid of it. We haven't made another one. We're holding up on this one. 210. We want to see this next candle go up, that's for sure. There's a little bit of upward candle in the finish. It's a good sign. To a downward. Okay. Inverted the fair value gap. Good sign. We still want to see this get inverted. It's a little premature. I didn't wait to see if it got inverted before. Seeing a little bit of buy step in, I think. Yep, a little bit of buy step in. We want to invert this one. This is important. 30 seconds left on this candle. Looks like we might make also a bullish fair value gap on the 1 minute. So we got a nice push up now. We did make now basically kind of a higher high or higher low. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher low. We are kind of looking to go up here. Made a fair value gap. We inverted that fair value gap. We are hopefully going to invert this. We're wicking up in a big way. We're moving up. It's basically, I think, just a little premature. We don't know if this is going to make a high or what this is going to do. This might be an equal high or a lower high. I'm going to go for the higher high. Made a fair value gap. If it pushes, it inverts that. That's a good sign. We want to close above it. We got 18 seconds left. This candle will tell us a lot, I think. Going for 5 points here, so could be a decent little trade. Okay, now we're going down. Sells buying in. We've already inverted it though, so I like that. We don't want to make a fair value gap. It probably won't. This would be a good opportunity if I bought in here. And we want to make a fair value gap. This could be like a lower low, but I could have got out. Let's see, we want to take some profit here. Okay, there we go. Got some buys stepping in now. Got a little bit of that. We want to see it go up and take that because we've been waiting so long, patiently. We don't have any upwards fair value gaps, so no 1 minutes yet. So we just have this one down here. There we go, gapped up a little bit. Okay, looks like we'll take that one. Perfect. We're at 1788 now. What time is it? 10:30. Okay, we're gonna buy in again because we have 2 fair value gaps. And this is where I should get out, I think, because it's going up. We're a nice push up. We're gonna make a 5-minute fair value gap if it keeps this momentum. There we go, got that one. 1846. We might even make a 15-minute fair value gap. I'm gonna wait till it dips down to buy in. Looks like we're gonna make 15 as well. We want to just see if this will dip in a little bit. I want to get it off the pullback. Not made the 5-minute yet. This is a 1717. That's the proper place to put the entry on the pullback. I'm not getting ahead of myself. At 1864 on the day. My trade win rate is pretty good today. I a couple little dicey trades, but I think I've course corrected a little bit, and I think things are going good now. Now let me look at my 1 hour. We want to see, this is going to invert. It looks like we're getting close. We have 27 minutes left. So if this doesn't wick all the way back down, it's probably going to go up. Okay, that's a good sign. We wanted to see if it'll take this. I think this is a reasonable entry here. It's indecision candles. Okay. I've got a buy there. It could fall further. I'm not shy about maybe taking another entry depending on where we're looking at here. Where's our no 15-minute fair value gaps? This is really tanking. Got some big sells in here. However, we've already inverted this. I'm gonna buy in again. We do have that bluish push. It did get whipped down. This could fall. We don't want it to make a new low. It's got a long way to go to make another 5-minute fair value gap, so we got that in our favor. We've already rounded the bend here. We're making higher highs, and hopefully this will be a higher low. We did make a 1-minute fair value gap. My rule is if we make 2 in the opposite direction, then we get out, but let's see what happens here. We got 1. We are in an upward trend overall. Might have been a little premature on that trade, but I made 2 fair value gaps. Let's see if it inverts it. I need to get out of this. It's a pretty big loss here. Made a new low. We are in an uptrend, but we got a lot of aggressive selling at this level. At 502 now. Close out that fair value gap. I'd love to see some aggressive buying here. like that. I like that action. So now we're gonna make, okay. Got some momentum, we got some aggressive buys. We should make a fair value gap hopefully on the 1 minute. And we wanna work towards this fair value gap here. I'm gonna move this down here just to be in the fair value gap as a potential wick before it moves down again. We're above the EMA almost. We are kind of wicking down a little bit. Nice little surge up again. Inverting it completely before moving up, hopefully. We're right at the EMA. We are kind of like on an uptrend now of the EMA. We've created that fair value gap in 40 seconds, 30 seconds. So we need to see a couple more. Yep, that's what we need to see. A little upward action. And then we need to see it continue. See some buys coming in now. I'm already in 12 contracts, so no one will re-enter. Nice yellow there, I like that. We're in this fair value gap. Could get pushed down. We're getting some aggressive buys in as well. Next candle. Let's see, we inverted this fair value gap. That's not good. Perhaps I should have. This could be the start of a downtrend. Let's see what this candle wants to do. If it wants to move down, then I think I might get out. I want to see it green. We have this in a reasonable place, I think. Might even invert this fair value gap. Could have got out of there. Next candle in 16 seconds. If this closes green, I think I'll be pretty good to get up and take that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next candle, hopefully this next shot. Get it, got it. Okay. We're at 2K. 10:45. Making pretty good progress today. We want to see this get inverted. We inverted it, we need to close above it. And I think we need to make one more fair value gap on the new high, and then we should see some, I think, some good upward trend here. We are wicking off of this. We do need to see it invert this 5-minute fair value gap. Okay, we got 3, 2, 1, and it's not quite inverted, it looks like. And we need to see a fair value gap going up here on the 1 minute, which we do. We want to see it close, and then we want to see it enter off 177. We're going up. We got some buys stepping in. We got equal highs. Making another fair value gap. Okay, we're just going to buy in here. If it dips down, I will take in a little bit more because this is strong momentum. Our 1 hour has shifted. Some 2 points here, should be able to get it. Green aggressive buys. We are in an upward trend. See if it holds this fair value gap. So far so good. We got 2 minutes away from making a nice another 5-minute fair value gap. Could have taken that $22. $30, but we want to kind of stick to a little bit in game plan. Okay, so we got that. We're at over 2,000. Got a nice upwards trend. We've got a fair value gap. We want to enter off the 8.0. We're not really making new fair value gaps here, so momentum is good at 68 up here. Hopefully don't find myself in another situation. Okay, missed it again. Keep missing those entries. It is going to the midline, but maybe I should be a little bit higher than the midline. Come in, get out up here. I might want to come down to 7, 8. Still got 4 minutes on this candle. Okay, got that one. If it comes down again, then I'll just enter it again. 100 the day. So my target is 3,000. I'm trying to get to 3,000 to pass this eval, and then I'll be able to go live with this account. Give me some love if you don't mind. So I'm looking at this range. We're working off of this fair value gap and to tap into this fair value gap. So this is a big 5-minute fair value gap there. Got the 15 there. This could want to come down too. We're already in this big 30-minute fair value gap. And we're not quite tapped into this fair value gap. 45-minute. We got a 90-minute there. So we could be rejecting at some point off of this. We've got this 1 hour trend here. This is a good bullish push here. It didn't quite come in, take that. So I'm gonna start to get out of this, I think, because I don't know if it's gonna reject and go down. It is an upward trend. Trying to get a little bit of this momentum. Got out 26.30, 63. I think we're gonna. This is our target up there, so we want to see it. Tap into that. Could very well invert. I'm kind of making fair value gaps on the way up, which is good. Okay, we got that one. At 22. I want to see it come down. So that 2 hour, it's basically the 1 hour it's tapping into. There's no 2 hour. There's no 4 hour. It's a big upward candle. It's a lot of mixed momentum. But this is a 1 hour fair value gap. This could be a reversal now off of this 1 hour fair value gap. So we want to be checking to see if 1 minute fair value gaps are being made to the downside. If we're inverting these 1 minute fair value gaps. We are in an upward trend there, and I think we're in an upward trend on the 1 minute too, or in the 1 hour. So we kind of do want to go up and take out this 1 hour fair value gap. If that gets inverted, then that's, I think, a good sign that might continue to go up. What's my 2 hours say? 2 hours up. 4 hours, everything's showing up, so the market structure does want to go up. So we're in the fair value. It wants to say that this is our next target, is this order block here. I think if we go down, then we will rebuy. Got some big buys there. No, not yet. Kind of running out of buys actually. Just got a little bit. Wait for it to come back down. So we've inverted this fair value. Yeah, we got 4 minutes to close on it, and I'd say we're gonna go up more, probably. We're still playing with it. I think this will go up a little bit. Still playing. Could drop all the way down here. We want to see it drop if we without making a fair value gap. A little bit of sell popping in. This could be a take profit 99.7 because this could be a midline rejection as well. On our opening range. No. Inverted yet? We got 2 minutes left. It's not quite inverted yet. I do kind of want to get out of this though. Minute 49 to invert this candle if it keeps going up. Otherwise, there's like a rejection. $131 for this one. You out of here? All right, are we gonna push up or not? We have inverted. We got 8 seconds to invert. 7, 6, 5. Don't go down. Go up. Go up. 2, 1. We're not inverted. It's still something to contend with, but we did get a push off of that, and I think it'll take this profit here, unless it wicks down. No, it's not what we want. We got some sell in there, I think, somewhere, or some buy rather. Damn it. I think I missed it. See what the next candle does. 15 seconds for the next one. Got equal lows down there. Come on, right there. Oh, go get it. I'm out. Okay, what we want to look for now is a break and retest of this midline. If we see okay, that's kind of rejecting there. We want to see like a big signal of rejection too. We want to see this increase in volume as it goes down. And we don't want to see a candle close over the midline completely with the butt on top. Now it doesn't, we don't have any other signals that are saying it's going to go down. So I want to make sure it does on the 5 minute as well. We're looking back here off the 5 minute. We are making probably a fair value gap. I want to see what this candle does. Okay, that's a strong signal. I think I'm going to enter in. We made a fair value gap. I'm going to take it a little deep. Okay, see what this candle wants to do. This is, let's see if we take 20 points, 193, disrespect. Okay, we are rejecting off of this. If we take 15 points, 718. So this is the break and retest strategy. I want to follow this now because I never, with my strategy, I want to like incorporate two strategies. So I want to just follow it. I want to let this breathe and see how far this will go, because we do have some upward signals still, but if we're making a fair value gap on the way down with 1 minute and then 5 minutes, then I think we should be good to go. Oh, we got a little bit of a push up. So we're not making fair value gaps yet. We want to see price go down. We did see the reaction we wanted to see. Now on the 5 minute, that's reacted. That's the way. That's what we want to see too. We want to see at least come to 186. That's where my before it goes back up. That would be like an entry off of the upward momentum. Alright, I guess I gotta close the stream. I gotta get